In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Microsoft Excel as an administrator on your Windows computer. This process can be particularly useful when you need to access features or perform tasks that require elevated permissions. Let's dive in and walk through these steps together to ensure you can easily open Excel with administrative privileges. First things first, you need to locate the Windows search bar, which is usually found at the bottom left corner of your desktop, right next to the Start button. Clicking on this search bar allows you to enter terms and quickly find applications or files on your computer. It's a handy tool that saves time when you're looking for something specific. Next, in the search bar, type Excel. As you type, you might notice that Windows starts to anticipate what you're searching for and will likely suggest Microsoft Excel as one of the top options. This feature is part of Windows's effort to streamline your experience by suggesting the most relevant applications based on your input. Once Excel appears in the search results, you'll want to hover over it or right-click to reveal more options. Among these options, you'll see Run as Administrator. Selecting this option gives the application the necessary permissions to perform actions that are typically restricted to avoid unauthorized changes to your system. Running Excel as an administrator grants the program elevated permissions, enabling you to access certain features or data that regular user rights might not allow. This is particularly important when working with complex spreadsheets or performing actions that interact with system settings or other applications. And that's it, you're done. The Excel application should now open with administrator privileges, providing you a more comprehensive access level to perform any required tasks. Remember that it's always good practice to close applications running as administrator when you're finished to minimize any potential security risks. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful for your needs. Navigating administrative permissions can sometimes seem daunting, but with these steps, you'll be able to efficiently open Excel with the permissions you need. Thank you for watching, and feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher. If you have any questions or need further assistance, be sure to check out our other guides or leave a comment below. Have a great day.